Here's the next 12 hours. We expect wet roads to be, unfortunately, something we have to deal with today, along with some locally heavy rainfall, some flash flooding concerns, and some isolated severe potential too. Temperatures will climb into the middle 70s ahead of the rainfall, and then we'll get rain-cooled air going. Also pretty breezy out there already, 15 to 25 miles per hour. That continues throughout the day. We're looking at mainly cloudy skies right now. Temperatures both sides of the lake are in the 60s. We do have some lighter showers, even some moderate rainfall down towards the coastline, approaching Galliano with that moderate rain. Nothing severe, some very light showers over portions of the metro, and more showers extending from right along I-59 into Hancock County. Also, all of the North Shore seeing some scattered showers at times. Out to the west, just to the northwest of Baton Rouge, tornado warning, severe thunderstorm warning already with this main line of storms that's been tracking in from the coast all the way from Lake Charles to the northeast. Also, a flash flood warning out west. Those are the lines of concern that we'll have throughout the day as we get more of those bands of rain and storms developing ahead of this stronger cold front. The front will start to weaken as it moves closer in terms of movement, which is going to help it slow down and keep that rainfall efficiency going. That's why the flash flood watch is in place today, tomorrow, and also through Thursday night. 4 to 8 inches of rainfall possible through this time frame. Some spots could pick up a little bit more. So this morning through around 9 o'clock, we're going to see some scattered light showers, maybe a stray storm, but I think we're going to see more activity with rain and storms by lunchtime. This will continue through the afternoon today, so very wet commutes. Dangerous scenario setting up for spots, especially where we get that heavy rainfall and that chance for some isolated severe weather. This does continue into evening. This is 8 o'clock. This evening, we're going to see more rain and storms. Bit of a break overnight. Then we get the warm front lifting back to the north tomorrow morning. So during commute time tomorrow, it's going to start off wet conditions throughout the day Wednesday, and this will continue Thursday with our next frontal boundary approaching along with our next disturbance, and we're still going to hold on to a chance for severe storms. Today we're looking at a level 1 risk, but a risk is a risk. Isolated tornadoes with some hail potential, and this continues through Wednesday and Thursday. We do have some winds out there, 10 to 20 plus miles per hour sustained, higher gust. We have a wind advisory officially for the South Shore, but everywhere around the region will be windy today. So be careful, be mindful today, be cautious and aware. 70s through the afternoon with the exception of the rain-cooled air. 50s and 60s tonight. We'll carry that heavy rain threat and severe risk overnight, and we'll actually upgrade the severe risk on Thursday with the next frontal boundary, which will be stronger. Breaking down the rain Friday, more scattered rain and storms this weekend, and then Monday we're back to some drier conditions.